What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. So in my giveaway video, if you're not a part of the giveaway yet, I will link that video in the description box below. The giveaway ends February 10th. The winner will be announced February 12th. In the giveaway video, you guys mentioned that you wanted to see more pinkish, purpley type of looks. So that's what we're doing here today. This is the Morphe X Lisa Frank palette. Ooh, I almost dropped it, the 35B. I think in one of the last videos I said it was like the 35XO palette that I was using. That was not true. It was like the Second Nature. I think it's like 35N or something. But this is what this one looks like. Okay, so this side might actually come out looking a little bit different because I used the Morphe eyeshadow base, but I cannot for the life of me find it right now. So we're going to use the P. Louise eyeshadow base instead. It's about the same color-ish as the Morphe one, so hopefully we'll get the same look. So the first color that we're going to start with in this palette, this is the color Puppy Love right here. Some of the purple that I used from the other side on there, and that's why it's coming out so dark, but it's fine. We just wanted to have more pink up at the top. So there we go, it's showing up more pink now. And so that is blended right here. I like to take my brush and just kind of like fan it out, even though it kind of ends up like on your nose area, it's fine because when you put the foundation on, it should clean it up. I just don't like whenever it's harsh right there. I like it more blended. I should have used some tape. It's never too late. Okay, we're ready. Get back where you're supposed to be here. So now I'm going to take that color Violet and Velvet, this purple right here, and I'm using the same brush. I'm just going to put it on a little bit lower, just because we want to see the pink in there still. We want to see a really good blend. And now I'm going to take a different eyeshadow brush. This is the Luxie Tapered Blending 205 brush. I'm going to take this color Max Splash at the bottom. It's the black. Now you got to be very careful with black eyeshadow, otherwise you'll make a mess. So I start really low. I just put a little bit on at a time. Now I'm going to switch it back to my blending brush. I did not add more product. I'm just mainly trying to blend these colors in, and since there's still product on the brush, should be able to get a good blend. But we want to keep the pigment. Now I'm going to add more purple to my blending brush because I want it deep, but I still want it to look purple. It's okay if you get it down here in your inner corner because it's where you need it to be anyway for the, this is like a halo. So now I mixed the black and the purple on this brush. I'm just going to blend. I'm taking the black brush, putting more black in there, switching back to the blending brush. I'm gonna keep doing that until I feel like it's good and blended. Perfect, looks blended to me. So now I'm going to take this brush that I'm using. It's the eyeshadow tube brush by Valentines. I use this to cut my crease because even though it's really not like a cut crease look, it's like a halo, I still cut like the top of it because you know, if you don't go up high enough then you won't be able to see it whenever your eyes are open, and what's the point of that? Now we're going to go back into my Morphe palette. This brush that I'm going to be using, this is a Moda Pro. This is a BMX 420 detail brush. It looks like this. Why I chose this one, I'm not sure, but that's what we're gonna use. So the color is Spotty and Dotty right here, the shimmer. I'm going to put that on. I love this color. Once we've got that on there, I'm gonna go back in with my blending brush, put more purple on there, and kind of blend and start to blend the blue on the side. Okay, and now I'm going to take the brush that I had the black on and do the same thing. So for under eyes, the color that I'm using, this is the Wet n Wild multi-stick color icon. Not So Calm Waters is the color. This is one of those jumbo pencils. I love these jumbo ones because I think it makes it easier to glide onto your waterline, and they're very pigmented. So now I'm gonna go back in with that same Moda brush that I used. I didn't add more product. I'm just gonna go underneath my eye with this brush to give it more pop. You gotta take the tape off. So for white, we are going to be using the NYX. This is the liquid liner. It doesn't have a name, white. White liquid liner by NYX, and just draw a line over the blue area is what I was shooting for. Okay, so these are what the lashes look like on the thing. This is from my favorite brand. All right, you guys, so this is the final look and the end of this video. If you have not already, like, subscribe, and remember that the giveaway video will be linked in the description box below. Also, if you want more specific Valentine's Day looks, let me know that in the comment section below. You guys really just said pinks and purples, so I am working on a bunch of like pink and purple. Unfortunately, I probably won't be able to talk through all of them like I did this one, but I will do my best to give you as many as I can before Valentine's Day. So if you have not already, like this video, subscribe, and you will see my face in the next video.